just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Nikki, and today I'm here with my February IPSY video. I'm in my car because it's 5:12 and this is the only time of day I have a moment of breath. And I'm in my car just filming this, so I told you guys I'd film a lot of outside IPSY videos too. So these lines here are from my glasses, so I'm sorry about that. They should go away. Anyway, let's get into the bag. So the first thing technically was in this bag because it can't fit in the IPSY bag is these two, I think it's two, yeah, two 5-minute facial masks. And you put them on before you put your makeup on, like they're a sheet mask, and then you like leave it on for 5 minutes. You take it off, put your makeup on. So it's tea tree oil, rose hemp extract, and vitamin C, and yeah, prep skin for flawless makeup application. Okay, let's actually continue into the actual bag. So here's a little card. Oh god, I get so happy when I get brushes. I got a double-sided even Luxie 249 brush, and it's just like a blending brush and then like a packing brush on this side. It's very rose gold and pretty, and I love it. Third thing in my bag, second thing in my bag, is this Marsk Sydney London loose eyeshadow in foiled again. It's just like a gray metallic. The fourth thing is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lip, and it is in the color, I guess, IPSY Unzipped, which is the name of the bag this month. The last thing in here is this Trestique eyeliner in Swiss chocolate, and I love Trestique's packaging. I love how it looks like all their other stuff is open, but it's really not. Here's how you open it. Isn't that cool? I love how all their packaging looks like this though. Even their lipsticks or blushes, their highlights or bronzers, they all look like this, and I love it. Usually those are fatter, but you know. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me next. Don't forget to subscribe. And I don't usually film in my car. I usually have a studio with lights and all that, and I look nice, but you know, I want to get a video up, but this is the only time I have, so yeah, I love you guys so much. Peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though